Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Light pink color, orange color, black color, yellow color, dark green color, exactly, dark pink color, red color, light green color, purple color, silver color, blue color, sky blue color, brown color, white color. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabet into A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The next one is I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The next one is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Now we're writing alphabets. Light green color, the alphabet of A. The next one is B. C for cow, C for cat. D. D for dog, D for doll. Stay with us. Now we're using the color of sky blue. E. F. The next one is G. G for gorilla. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. The next one is K. K for kite. Red color. L. The next one is M. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. P. P for penguin. The next one is numbers. First we're writing the number of 1, O-N-E 1. The next one is 2, 3. The next one is 4. Now we're using the color of black. Writing the number of 4. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. 8. 9, and the last one is 10. T-E-N 10. Thank you so much for watching.